Jazz club.
So there's one thing that I hate about cooking shows. Whenever they cut bell peppers, this is what they do, look. And I will only do this once because I find this super disgusting. So they put down the pepper and then they just cut down on the pepper. And then they take this thing and they put it out, and then you get all the little pits in there, and it's just a mess. And I will show you a slightly better way to cut peppers. We will poke a little hole right here, but don't go too deep, or else you will get the pits off the center part. So you just poke a little hole, and then you will cut down on the pepper. Then you turn it. You will want your knife to be at a slight angle outwards this way. You will see later why. So put it at an angle. Don't cut too deep. Just go through this mantle right here. So you will just need like 2 centimeters or so, or 1/3 of an inch, I guess, in American. And you will cut around the middle part very carefully. Middle part, cut around until you get all the way around. And then once you're done, we'll take the pepper like this, with those 2 fingers right here. You will open it up like this. You will take it out. Fingers, drop it, hit it twice, and there you go. Beautiful. Taking out the centerpiece, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. And to me, this is just so much easier, so much quicker, and you don't need to throw away or anything off the bell pepper. You can use it all. I will show it to you once more, just in case. Let me just throw this out. So again, we take this pepper, cut down, cut. We're pointing the knife outwards because the middle part can be quite big at some bell peppers, and you won't cut off any of the pits in the middle. Again, take this part with your fingers, open it up, take it out, drop it, hit it twice, and there you go. Boom. Now that's how you cut a bell pepper.